it's Niamh and Tully Nurseries. I know the weather has been a bit chilly at the moment, but it is going to get more milder and better after the weekend, which is great news for everybody. This year we've really expanded our 1 litre Alpine range, and I love our new labels. They definitely don't hide the plant, so you're still showcasing the plant. We've expanded our range and increased production of our 1 litres. We've lovely sedum aureum, and actually it's a really nice plant, which we saw in the UK last year, and we were really impressed with it. As you can see here, we've so much colour with the pinks, and they're lovely and perfumed, nice and full. Again, look at the list and you'll see our full selection. We also have really nice saxifraga. I love the grey pot, goes really nice with the grey labels. So all in all, there's so much to choose from. Have a look at the list and get in quick before they're all gone. Happy Valentine's Day.